Hello, this is Arinath. In this video, we will learn variables and keywords. First, we will understand variables through one example. For example, we have given a program that processes pocket money. Pocket money given to child by parent. For this program, we have pocket money. Let 500 as the initial value. For this, our program store this value in memory. 500 is stored here. For this program, also the program creates a name pocket money. This refers the value 500 in memory. After some time, child spent value 100. Now the value is 400. It is updated in memory also 400. After some time, the child spent one more 100 value. Now the value is 300. This is updated in memory also. Like this, the value of pocket money changes throughout the program. Each time the value changes, updated in memory. Each time the pocket money refers the current value of pocket money in memory. Now the pocket money is called the variable. The value stored in memory is called the object. That means the pocket money is a variable that refers the value in the memory. This is a variable concept. That means in our programs we will use data. Data is stored in the memory. To access the data, we use a name. That name is called the variable. That means we will define a variable as a name that refers object in the memory. Generally, value stored in the memory. How to create a variable in Python? To create a variable in Python, we use a syntax variable name equal to value. Left side of the equal symbol, we will give the name of the variable, and right side of the equal symbol, we will give the value of the variable. Now, for example, pocket money equal to 500. Here, the pocket money is a name of the variable, and 500 is the value which is stored in the memory. Now, the pocket money is a name that refers the value in the memory. Now, the pocket money is the name of the variable, and 500 is a value which is stored as a object in the memory. Next, variable naming rules. Variables are created by the programmer in the program. We need to follow some rules to giving a name to variables. The first one is variable names may contain alphabeticals A to Z, small alphabeticals A to Z, underscore, and digits 0 to 9. Next, second rule is the first character cannot be digit. The variable name must start with the alphabetical or underscore. Next, third one is a variable name must have at least one character, and the uppercase is no limit. You can give any number of characters as a variable name in a Python. Next, the variable name does not allow the special characters like percentage, at the rate of, dollar, and comma and space. These are the special characters which are not allowed as a program as a variable name. Next, variable name are case sensitive. This means here if you write a variable amount in uppercase and also we have write a variable name amount. These two are two different variables. That means here the Python language has a case sensitive. That means uppercase and the lowercase is different. Next, the keyword cannot be used as a variable name. Next, we will see some valid variable names and the invalid variable names. The first one is name. This contains only alphabetical. Now this is a valid variable name. Next is second one contains student underscore name. This also a valid variable name. That means the variable name contains alphabeticals and underscore. This is also valid variable name. Next, third one is AS25. This is contains alphabeticals and digits. This is also valid variable name. Next, marks only contains alphabeticals. This is also valid variable name. Invalid variable names. In the first example, 25 years. 25 years is a variable name. This variable name starts with the digit. That's why this is a invalid variable name. Next, second one is student hyphen name. That means here we have used a special character hyphen. This is not allowed as a variable name. Now this is also invalid variable name. Next, third one is my name. In between the my and the name we have given a space. That's why this is also invalid variable name. Next, fourth one is we have used class is a keyword provided by the Python language. The keywords are not allowed as a name of the variable. That's why this is also invalid. Next, at the rate of value. Now this is at the rate of is a special character. This is also not allowed as a variable name. Now this is also invalid variable. Next, we will see keywords. The keywords are a predefined words. That means the Python programming language define the meaning of the words. These words are defined for a special purpose. We need to use these words for that particular special purpose only. So these are the keywords provided by the Python programming languages. The list may increase in future because the Python is a evolving languages. Here we have given a 35 keywords. We will learn these keywords in detail in later classes. Here we will give a lab demo to create a variable in Python. Right. So creating a variable in Python is very simple. For example, if you want to create packet money, equal to 500. Now this statement creates a variable name called pocket money and the value of variable is a 500. Print pocket money. Now the result is 500. Like this, in Python, variable creation is a very simple. Just we need to give a name of the variable and equal symbol and right side of the equal symbol the value of the variable. Next, later the pocket money changed to 400. See. see. First we have a 500, later we have a 400. Next, pocket money. 400 plus next to 500. 500 is added to current to pocket money. Now we will see the value 500 initial value, next to 400, next to 500, after 500 added to the pocket money. Like this, the value of the pocket money changes throughout the program. Okay, that's why this is called a variable. Here the pocket money is a name that refers the value in the memory, so actual value is stored in the memory.